know.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
Already,
Hey.
man. Huh?
Y'all keep watching this YouTube right here. This guy's always on it and always giving all the good stuff.
Yeah, I'm trying to put it out there, y'all. I'm trying to get some money. Anybody don't mind? I'm trying to get some money. Hey, my boy right here, he already got a little bit, but he trying to get a little bit more.
Just a little bit more.
I want to get where he at, and then I probably could boost him. So let me get where he at, be able to whoop a big tire with a small tire, and I'm going to be happy, man. That's... Oh, you need some more too? Don't give him no more. He already got it, y'all. He just lying. He got money. Him, his girl got money. His mama and daddy, they got money. Everybody on his side got money. Don't give him none. Just save it. Yeah. Yeah, me and my boy right here, we barely making it. Give him a little bit. He really already got it, but just give him a little bit. Let him pay his bills for about 2 more months. And then he gonna be all right. Me, I want everything else. Give me everything else.
Smith versus Boss Man.
Give me everything else.
About 12, 15-ish, maybe.
12, 15. She love 15. That's her favorite number. You tell her, pick a number 1 through 100. 15. Pick 1 through 200. 115. She love 15, yo. Oh, damn, Future Street Outlaw.
Who's the street outlaw?
They talking about that little kid.
Oh, okay.
Or that bartender. Cold-blooded. Ah, here he comes. We got the track staff. They done told. Oh, we got a big boy coming out, guys. It took him about 15 minutes to get up here.
They finally assembled the motor in the trailer, and they're ready to fire it up on a nitrous pass.
Oh, this here tastes good, boy.
Yeah, bro, that's like Gary Payton right there. Which I learned. That Gary Payton is basically cookies.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's cookies from Seattle. They switched it up to Gary Payton.
Oh, yeah.
The Seattle Supersonic.
They got a different smell,
It's a different. It's like a what do you, cultivar or whatever.
Yeah.
So it's basically an OG Kush, Girl Scout cookies, same family. That same.
I like it.
I love it too, bro.
Darkness. Oh, yeah, man. Who was that on my, Damn, he went a 474 and he cut a 017 light. Hey, man, I'm finna go get me one more look at. Boy, them bitches. You don't never get them?
What?
You know I got a drink up here under my name.
It's called a lookout.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah,
What
you
is
don't-
it?
You don't drink?
Is it liquor?
Yeah, it's a liquor.
Nah, I don't like it. I get sleepy when I drink, bro. Unless we're going out and I'm doing shit. But if I'm trying to work,
We out. We doing shit. We working. You get one drink, you shouldn't be sleepy.
yeah. Okay. So what
You
is
don't
it?
supposed to tell yourself, I'm gonna be sleepy as fuck after one drink.
No,
No,
you're
no,
not.
you ain't. I got the perfect drink that turn you up. One drink, you gonna taste it. It's gonna taste good.
I don't know
It's
if I
gonna
need to
be-
get turned up, man.
You need to be turned up, bro, all the time, man. You
All
on a
the time.
lifetime. You supposed to be happy as fuck.
I am happy. That's what I
turned
mean.
up and happy is like damn near the same.
Oh,
Turned
bro,
up
I'm
is
turned
better
up,
than
man.
happy.
I'm already turned up.
No, you
just not
you
drunk.
got a happy level, and then the next level up is turned up. You gotta be turned up.
Turned up.
You can't be. Now it's levels to this shit, fool. You happy?
I'm happy.
I'm turned up. I'm telling you, if you go get you a drink, you gonna be turned up.
Right.
That's better than happy.
Is this what peer pressure is?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, this peer pressure.
Maybe it's called a
I
lookout.
be turned
Where-
up.
Where is it at? Where do they
Right
serve
up
it
here.
at?
You just go right to XRP at the track.
Called a lookout.
Hey, excuse me, miss. I need a lookout. Okay, coming right out.
It's up there. They know what you're talking
Man, they already know what you talking about. They ain't need no help. Hey, look out. I got all my people, runs CSV. THC runs CSV. THC runs CSV.
That is true.
Oh, let me get a charge on this phone, y'all. I ain't been charging. All my YouTubers, y'all gonna go dead. Oh, my boy said he need to take an ebonics class. What words you need to know, man? I know all the words. I got that charge on here, y'all. Man, I'm finna walk around, boy. I be having a good ass time. Y'all don't be. I was thinking about even coming up here today, y'all. Cause I was like, man, I got on the highway and it was a lot of, man, I was driving on the street. There was a little traffic on the street. I seen a girl jump out, shaking that ass. I was like, damn, she crunk. Then I tried to get on the highway. There was a lot of traffic. I couldn't do nothing but help think, damn, everybody going to a party or a club. Then I seen I'm on the side of the highway in the traffic. I see a little party at a house going on. I'm like, damn, it's party time, man. I'm over here headed to the damn track. Dang. Man, that dude look like Tyler. Got one of them square body heads. Hey man, look out. You on my YouTube channel?
Huh?
You on my YouTube channel?
I don't think so, man.
You know Tyler Madden? Okay. This is my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing, man. It's going down like James Brown.
Thanks, man.
Already, man.
All right.
Okay. Oh, you still got the VIN number on her?
Yes, sir. It's a good car, man.
Oh man, I ain't know y'all still had the VIN number in there. I thought there was a number job. Man, that mug so clean, y'all. Golly, look how clean that is, man. RIP to my partner George, man. He had one of these. I always thought I was gonna buy it from him. Damn, man. I thought I was gonna buy it from him, man. He done died. Damn, dude. Hey, what's up with it? You alright? Okay, I'm just making sure you alright. I'm having a good day, girl. Let me see who it is. Yates!